GRRRRR. Get over here right now.
There are 9 people for using KCSFX. And what are using the KCSFX?
Me too, that not kids cheering sound effect. I delete all kids cheering sound effect.
Don't using kids cheering sound effect anymore. I broke KCSFX. I hate KCSFX.
Don't do this again or exit the KCSFX. You are not listening for the KCSFX. End of call out.